tricks for painting accurate portraits. A portrait is a painting, sculpture, or other artistic representation of a person, in which the face and its expression are predominant. Use neutral colors to mark features. When an artist begins evaluating those relationships to paint portraits, they use a brush loaded with a thin mixture of a neutral color, titanium white, ivory black, and yellow ochre, to mark the top and bottom of the head, then the left and right sides. Continues indicating the neck and shoulders before running a vertical line down the center of the face that follows the curvature of the head, if it is turned in one direction or another. Then places a horizontal line in the center of the head, where the eyes will appear, and make other short horizontal lines to mark the eyebrows, jaw, and the bridge and bottom of the nose. Keep more concerned with the relationship between dark, mid-tone, and light values than with carefully drawn lines or specific color combinations. Some artists refer to those brushed strokes of color as disconnected marks, indicating the appropriate shapes, values, and colors that can eventually be brought together to create the appearance of skin, hair, clothing, etc. Do not start with a brief indication of the lines establishing the placement of the overall shape of the head in the relationship between the features. Quickly start to build up the oil pigments to capture the personality and likeness of the portrait. Start by judging the proportional relationship between the features inside a roughly drawn head. Spend most of your time to judge each shape in relation to the others that have already been put down. Complete a portrait while the oil paints are still wet. This allows you to lay down thin patches of color mixtures and then blend them together as you refine the portrait.